Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, towing package, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.